But
Entering the kitchen. Hey Jefferson, how's it went? Everything under control more for my party.
hey, Jesus, thanks for coming to help. It's going pretty well, but this cake. It's a three-layer chocolate masterpiece, but a child usually bakes simple cakes, but this one is special for mom birthdays.
I can't attack. I look amazing already. I am already scientific table. I think dining room. I usually say it simply with today. I'm wishing move bed China. Check the service. Hi, so what are you who right now?
Right now, I am posting the cake. It needs to be perfect, and I am whole checking the invitation. Are we sure everyone can make it? Hope so. I usually don't invite so many people for party.
Hi, Corfini, with everyone. Just tennis, golfing, up alte, bayou. We usually have smarter parties, but mom deserves tie big on. Say what time do you usually what up on a Sunday?
I usually wake up at 8 a.m., but today I was 6 a.m. Start early to get everything done. I am excused but happy. I am handsome preparing to food. I am making second the cordero, mom's favorite. It's a lot of work, but I am enjoying myself. How about you? Enjoyed all this?
Oh yes, hi great. I am also contentic they protagonist they confirm that he were usually high ante gym. High the evening, but today family celebration come features.
Uh, Me too. Usually I go for a wait in the park in the afternoon, but today it's all about the party. I am so glad we are doing this for mom. Which way do you know where we should put the presents?
I am putting the under most favorite painting. I think we're almost ready with the high hope.
Absolutely. It will be a memorable bring date. Let's do check in the dining room just to make sure everything is perfect. All right.